In several videos, I've said that we can see spoken language naturally and constantly evolve whether you like it or not, but writing doesn't change because it's not natural. And I had one of my followers tag me in another creator's video saying this is an example of writing being natural and subject to natural evolution whether you like it or not. So let's take a look. The example in this video is people taking words like could've, should've, would've, which obviously come from a contracted form of could have, would have, and should have, and changing them to could of, would of, should of. So the commenter is saying that this is showing that the writing is naturally evolving. And I see what they're saying, but the problem is it's not naturally evolving. In fact, it's going towards a prescriptive standard. Like Griffin said, it seems pretty obvious why that happens, right? Because those contracted forms sound like this. And people take the sound of, which has now become a homonym to the preposition, and start spelling it like the preposition. They didn't naturally, creatively, and spontaneously change to this form. They're just trying to replicate the things they're actually pronouncing, and those sounds of are already spelled that way, which is a prescriptive standard. It's like when people write talk to you later like this. The language didn't naturally evolve to get there. Those are just alternate spellings for the same sounds that people are choosing to use instead of the other spellings. Now, I might go as far as to say this is an example of writing developing organically because obviously writing does change, but it's always playing catch up. People are intentionally changing the way they spell things to try to better match the way they speak. If it was naturally evolving the way spoken language was, there would be hundreds, if not thousands, of different accents with all those people spelling pretty much every word differently. It would evolve to this, to this, to this, to this, to this, to this, to this. But that's not what's happening. The writing is not naturally evolving. People are just using alternate spellings of the same sounds.